Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Telegram chats from cloud storage, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Telegram app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Navigate to the chat list by tapping on the Chats tab. Locate the chat you wish to restore. If it's not visible, use the search function at the top of the screen. Type in the name of the contact or the group. Once you find the chat, tap on it to open. Scroll through the messages to see the history. If your chat history is missing, it may be backed up. In this case, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Select Settings from the menu. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Look for the Cloud Chats option. Ensure it's activated to enable chat backup. Now return to your chat list. Tap on the hamburger menu again and select Contacts. Find the contact whose chat you want to restore. If the chat is archived, look at the Archive Chats section. You can access this by scrolling to the top of the chat list. If the chat is still missing, it may not be recoverable from the cloud. Consider contacting the chat participant for any shared messages. If you have an older version of the chat that was backed up, you can restore it through a different method. For that, go back to the Settings menu. Tap on Data and Storage. Here, you can manage storage and check. If necessary, you can reinstall Telegram to refresh your environment. Be cautious during reinstallation, as it may affect existing chats. Follow the prompts to reinstall the app. Once complete, log in again using your phone number. Check if the missing chats reappear in your chat list. If successful, your backed up chats are now restored. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.